Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error 0x80070BC9 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check the internet speed. Go to fast.com and hit enter. You can check the internet speed here. If it is good enough, then move on to the next solution, which is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. Now if these two solutions don't work, then the last solution will be to reset the Windows Update components. We have a script for you. I have shared it in the description section of the video. Copy this script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste the script here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.